Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of How to Make Halfway Decent Food, How to Not Burn the House Down, Egg Noodles edition.
So again, we don't know what the fuck we're doing.
Yeah, this is not a professional cooking video.
Heck, it's freaking egg noodles. You don't need a tutorial to make egg noodles, I'm sorry.
But we're lazy and want to make one anyway because, you know, why not?
We're poor, okay? We're looking for money. So we already have the water boiling in a small.
We'll need the egg noodles and water boiling.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna add like several handfuls because we aren't making the entire freaking bag. Because we don't.
If you make the whole bag, you have a problem.
Or a really freaking big family.
I guess. Who really likes egg noodles. Yeah. But for real hunger, for real satisfaction, Hot Pockets.
Freaking, we're not
Cheddar
sponsored by anything.
This video is not sponsored by Hot Pockets.
No.
Go buy your Hot Pockets today at your local grocery store.
Get the Hot Pockets out of here. We're making egg noodles.
Alright. Go buy your egg noodles at the local grocery store today.
Dude, I was about to smack that out of your hand and that would have not ended
You
well.
You would have been cleaning that up.
Yeah, no shit, it's my house. Yeah, we're in my house today instead of Katie's, so of course it's a little different. We had a sleepover, did something for school, and now we're winging it. Nobody's else is in the house, so we're allowed to be as loud as we want.
Woo!
Let's not kill our viewers' eardrums, though, Katie.
Woo!
Katie! Don't... What was that?
Huh?
What was that?
Nothing.
Oh my god. So since we aren't making the entire bag, we aren't necessarily, following the instructions, not destructions. But we're just leaving it.
Also, if you have not seen episode 1, go watch that on my channel.
It's on her channel. Everything
It's
is
really
on
funny.
her channel. Because I'm not allowed to have a channel.
It's really funny. Go watch it. Hey,
We make
Hey, I said go watch it. We will wait.
We make brownies. That is such an old meme. Yeah, we obviously don't know what we're doing.
Have you watched it yet? Good. Now we can continue with the video. Sorry if I'm
So we're
sitting over
just
here.
winging it
It's all
here.
good.
I'm gonna leave it to boil lightly on for 5 minutes, and that should be good enough considering we aren't making the entire freaking thing. Make sure you don't overcook or undercook your noodles, otherwise it will taste disgusting.
Oh, yeah, and I'm also
You can't even see my beautiful
I'm also
face.
uploading a video right now to my channel. Go watch that right now. On my channel right now. It's uploading right now.
Katie, they can't see.
Well,
It's too
they
bright
still
over
go
there.
upload it. Still go watch it, okay? Jesus.
I was about to say toss me poober until I realized there's a pot of boiling water, so no, don't. I don't need them landing in that. Katie, I swear to God.
Okay.
What are we doing with our lives? So around 5 minutes, you're gonna watch us act like we're freaking drunk here. I'll take the camera with me. Oh, by the way, we're recording this on a phone, so don't think this is top quality or anything.
It really isn't.
It's horrible.
Uploading a video to my channel right now.
Though
Preparing 99% because it's 21 minutes long. I forgot to edit it.
Oh my god. Katie.
Yeah.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Well, there's nothing we can do about it now.
I mean, I'm going to go edit it now, but you know. I'll re-upload. It's all good. Okay, give me the camera. You're being weird.
Be careful with my phone.
Okay, do you want to see how I edit my videos while we wait for this to?
No, I highly doubt they do. Hang on, I want to show them my dogs.
Yeah, go look at her dogs while I fix my video.
Babies! I gotta stir this. Katie, if this beeps, make sure you get out the, And I'm just gonna get out the strainer. You enjoy the view of my chin there? There's a strainer. You want to strain your pasta after you're done cooking it. And here's my dog. Here's one of my dogs, rather. Roscoe. Roscoe, do you love me? Roscoe. Ain't he handsome? Roscoe. Roscoe, do you love me? No? No, okay. Okay, that's okay. I love you. Maggie. Hi, babe. This is Maggie. Maggie, Maggie. Maggie. Babe. Maggie, Maggie. This is Maggie. She's adorable. Oh, pitiful babe. Alrighty. The noodles are about ready now. So I'm gonna go get those. This is Pooh Bear, by the way. Pooh Bear's gonna hold the camera.
Yeah. So you notice how I have been barely in the video. Yeah, Gabby took the Gabby's basically been mooning over the camera, man. She took it from me.
Because you were going to show them friggin' editing the video.
Yeah, you guys. I mean, there are probably some people out there who actually wants to know how to edit. If you guys want to see that,
you
go
honestly
put
think
it
you're
in the
gonna be
comments
of
below.
any help?
Yeah. I mean, I don't really know how to edit myself, but I think I could help some people.
Exactly.
I think I could help some people, okay?
Alrighty, the next
My God.
step is completely optional. And this is if you're that one weirdo like me who only likes butter on their pasta.
Not for the camera, man.
Yeah, I know.
We have butter. This video is kind of boring today, and I'm very sorry for that.
Move it.
No.
Katie, I need to get the butter.
The app is downloading. So I can edit my video and upload it so you guys can watch the things I do for our audience. Right?
Yeah. And then just stir it in and it should melt. Because your pasta should be hot.
If it's cold, then you got a problem.
Then you probably left it for too long.
Or you have a problem.
Or you just didn't cook it right.
Or you
Or at all.
Or
yeah, what she said.
you have a problem.
Yeah, what she said.
Camera won't stay.
A noodle flew out. 2 noodles flew out. Where's Maggie? Maggie is like dying, and I'm sorry if my voice does not sound that great.
I'm sorry if this video is really boring today. That's kind of the mood we're in.
Yeah, we're both kind of tired. We were working on a school project, so now we're
you
just...
hadn't mentioned this.
Yeah. Hang on 1 second. I need to go blow my nose. Katie.
Okay, I know this video is boring, but please don't click off. I need the views so I can subscribe, so I can get paid videos. Please, Please, I need it. I'm poor, and I want to be famous.
Okay, now go in front of the camera, Katie.
Hi. Just keep stirring. Minutes remaining till the video uploads. 18 minutes. Okay, sorry, 18 minutes. Very sorry.
No, Maggie.
Go buy your Hot Pockets or your egg noodles today.
Stop it, Katie. We're not
Advertising.
We're not sponsored at all by either company. Okay, please don't sue us.
But do go buy those. They're very good. But it's not sponsored.
Katie, can you like clip the egg noodles, please? Katie, stop shoving it up your nose and kick the egg noodles.
I was putting it. You know how people like, put it on their nose. That's what I was trying to do.
Alrighty, so essentially we've made our egg noodles. You all can add a soup of any kind if you want. I just realized that the camera was upside down for the majority of this video.
This is turning into an actual cook. This does seem like it's turning into an actual cooking video right now.
You can add any sauce you want. We are not professionals, so don't take advice from us.
We have no clue what the heck we are doing.
Yeah, this concludes this video.
Of how to not burn your house down, egg noodle edition.
Please.
Come join us next time, where we try not to burn our house down again.
Making whatever we find in our
Go
house.
watch the first episode and like, subscribe, and comment. See you later.
See you later.
Bye.